What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of GJ. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in GBP JPY. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the GBP JPY. This is 4 hour time frame, and we see a significant trading opportunity in this instrument. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade GBP JPY. Now let's start with the monthly time frame to see the bigger picture. Now GJ, as you can see that it was in the long run it was in a bullish move, but now what we see, the market is turning into a bearish market. So this is what we see on GBP JPY, that turning into bearish market means we could see a significant movement to the downside. As you can see, the price has kind of creating a head and shoulder on the monthly time frame, meaning that we could see that GBP/JPY reversing from here. Now monthly looks like they're now turning into bearish. Now looking at the weekly, this is what we have seen the past week. There is a bearish engulfer or a pin bar, what that has a significant false breakout to the upside, grab the liquidity from the top. Now we see the price has broken to the downside, creating a strongly bearish candle. Now this week we have seen significant uprise, to this level, which is a kindly a strong liquidity zone. You can see that there is a strong weekly doji that has crossed. Now we see a rejection to the downside, meaning that we could potentially see a drop to this one as well. Now looking at the daily, now the daily price action is giving us a really good hope that the GBP/JPY is preparing for a big drop. Why? Because in the daily price action we see what we are looking for. As you can see that, first of all, GBP/JPY on the daily time frame created a series of lower high. That's a sign of deceleration from the buyers activity. From this trend line on the daily, we have seen GBP/JPY on the daily time frame created this false breakout to the upside, and then closed, broke to the downside, and then retraced to the upside. So now what we see, that GBP/JPY on the daily time frame created this double top formation and then has broken to the downside, which is a sign of trend change. And now we see that there is the previous support here. You see, this is the support tested as a resistance on the daily time frame and then closed as a strong bearish engulfer, meaning that GJ likely to waiting for a bigger move to the downside. Now if we look at the 4 hour or intraday time frame, we see that there is already a nice looking bearish candle has been formed on GJ, which tested this 4 hour 20 period moving average. We could see that GJ just sliding to the downside as the all the time frame is aligning for the possible shorting opportunity on GJ. So as this price action looks bearish, according to the rules of our strategy, we will consider going short on GJ or GBP/JPY with our students with a high risk to reward ratio. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.